So there are YouTube Shorts channels making over $10,000 a month by doing something unbelievably simple. They're reposting other people's viral content. But here's the twist. They're doing it legally, and YouTube not only allows it, they're paying them for it. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this works step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find viral content, transform it into something monetizable, and start growing your own faceless YouTube channel. Step 1. Understanding the strategy. Now first, let's get one thing straight. You can't just download someone else's video, re-upload it, and expect YouTube to reward you for it. That'll get your channel demonetized or even terminated. What these smart creators do is called transformative content. They add enough value or context so that the original video becomes part of something new. That could mean adding commentary, editing the structure, mixing in different clips, or even ranking moments in a top 5 format. You're not copying, you're curating, transforming, and repackaging, and that's what makes it legal under YouTube's reuse and fair use policies. Step 2. Pick a viral-friendly niche. You can't just post anything. You need a niche that has a lot of demand and low competition. Think of categories like animals, the celebrity moments, sports highlights, funny fails, unbelievable facts. Let's say you pick the monkeys doing human things niche. Sounds weird, but animal channels pull millions of views. Don't overcomplicate the channel name or branding. Just use a name generator or something like ChatGPT to come up with short, catchy titles. Use free tools like Canva to make your logo and banner in under 10 minutes. Step 3. Finding viral content to reuse. Now comes the fun part, content sourcing. Go to TikTok, search for terms like funny monkey clip, and scroll through the most engaging short videos. Pick 4 to 5 clips that made you stop and watch. That's usually a good sign. Save those clips using a TikTok downloader, no watermark, and now you're ready to transform them. Step 4. Editing to avoid copyright issues. Import your clips into CapCut, free and beginner-friendly. Now here's what you need to do. Trim out boring moments. Add a hook at the start, something attention-grabbing. Include a text overlay with a funny or intriguing title. Add light background music and simple transitions. Insert commentary or rankings like 3 monkeys steal sunglasses. Just doing this changes the format enough to make it monetizable. It's no longer the same content, it's a brand new viewing experience. Step 5. Optimizing your video to go viral. Once your short is edited, it's time to upload, but don't rush this part. Give your video a strong, curiosity-driven title like Top 5 Times Monkeys Acted Like Humans, or Monkey Moments That'll Make You Laugh Out Loud. In the description, add 2 to 3 sentences that explain what the video is about using keywords naturally, like funny monkey clips, viral monkey shorts. Use relevant tags. YouTube still uses them to categorize your content. Tools like vidIQ can help you find tags with high search volume and low competition. Step 6. How these channels make money. Now, once you follow these steps consistently, YouTube will eventually reward you with monetization. But how do these channels make $10,000 0 cents plus? Simple. YouTube Shorts, bonus, and ad revenue. Affiliate links and brand deals. Selling shoutouts or promoting offers. And remember, the key isn't copying, it's transforming. The more creative your edits, the more unique your angle, the more likely YouTube will boost your video and start paying you for it. This method works, not overnight, but with consistent effort, you can turn simple viral clips into a serious income stream.